ZENA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I am the only guy in person in this space with 41,000 videos made. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially now with Zena. Let's go. Boom, this is where we're at. All I really wanted to see was me just doubling down on Zena. I began buying this when it was like $2, and here is the proof. Here's like literal proof of a video. Boom, it was $2.23 at the time 3 weeks ago. It took it from 2, now it's 4, more than a double. At some point reached freaking 7. You know how big of a discrepancy this is, right? So in this particular instance, I'm just going to mark out the top. When it's pumping up as such, bro, all I'm looking to do is just double down, hopefully. I mean, God willingly, if I see a confirmation, I'm still willing to double down and buy. Like, I don't think that I've squeezed the most juice that I can out of it. I genuinely don't think so, but we'll keep you updated. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.